15 signs a woman is testing you. She plans to meet and then cancels without reason. She asks you questions and the next moment becomes silent and refuses to talk. She might put you in tough spots and observe your reaction. You could be confused with her sudden changes in behavior. When a relationship is in its early stages, you may notice some signs that she is testing you. A woman may put you to the test in a variety of ways. In this video, we're going to show you top 15 signs that a lady is putting you to the test to figure out if you are the one for her. Welcome to a new video from the Social Psychology Media YouTube channel. If you are new here, subscribe for more social psychology videos. Don't miss anything in future videos. And comment down below I subscribed so we can welcome you. Let's start. Number 1. She wants to know more about your family and friends. Friends and family make up a large part of our social life. So, if she is interested in you, she will want to know more about your friends and meet your family. She will ask questions about them, how important they are to your life. Have you moved away from your family? Do you have superficial friendships? Are you friends with toxic people who take advantage of you? It is true that we are often judged by the company we hold. A person with a good environment has a healthy social life. It's not just the number of people around you. It's how emotionally connected you are to them. This will also help you learn more about your family values. She will also have a better understanding of whether she can be friendly with your friends and family in the future. Number 2. She asks you about your future goals. If she cares about you, she will care about what your plans are for the future. This is one of the subtle signs that she is testing you. She will ask you what you want from life and where do you see yourself in the next 5, 10, and 20 years. This implies that she wants something long-term and wants to see where you fall in her future plans or vice versa. Do you intend to get married, have children, or change your profession? It is important to be spontaneous in life, and it is important to plan a comprehensive life map. Things may not always work out the way we planned, but having one indicates that you are far-sighted, organized, and attentive. These are qualities that are considered important in a life partner. If you both have drastically different life goals, it will most likely be a transaction breach. Number 3. She doesn't text or call first. She will immediately check on you by texting or avoiding starting a conversation. This is a sign that she wants to see how much you are interested in talking to her. She wants to see if you are trying to reach her. Sometimes she can play hard to see if you stay. So, if she likes you, she wants you to take the lead and try to attract her alone. Loyalty and commitment are essential for a long-term relationship. In the early stages of a relationship, people want to make sure that their partner is right for them in the long run. Therefore, they tend to test them multiple times and measure their maturity and overall personality. Therefore, your girlfriend will also test you to make sure you fit her. For example, she may ask you about your future goals. Test your behavior, ask for your help with a task, or write down how often you start conversations. Number 4. She checked your patience. Suppose you planned to go on a date, but she canceled at the last minute. She said she could not go to the agreed destination and needed a change in plans. This means that she is testing your patience. Do you get angry and ask for an explanation, or do you just calmly reschedule? Are you being strict about your original plans, or are you going the extra mile to change plans to have a good time with her? Take a break and let go of your frustration when she makes you uncomfortable, even when things seem to be going your way. You can then let her know that it's okay, and you can reschedule or plan something else that will make it easier for her. Do this, then you will pass her decisive test. Number 5. She checks your manners. Etiquette makes a good man. She will always be on the lookout for how you treat other people, especially waiters, drivers, and other women. How you treat them shows a lot about your character. Losing anger or humiliating someone is an instant turnaround. Caring for others shows that you are kind and patient. These are great qualities to look for in a future partner. Simple gestures like greeting people again, helping others, and thanking people can make a big impression. Of course, pulling up a chair, holding a door or an umbrella, or grabbing a jacket can be an old-fashioned thing. But with these little actions, you can earn respect points. Number 6. She takes notice when you flirt with another woman. She takes notice when you flirt with or check out other women is a sign she is testing you. Nobody wants to be with someone with a winking eye. She will always keep number on how you interact with other women you look attractive to. She will see you flirting with a waitress or a colleague. Small, subtle gestures can be deadly in such cases. She will follow your eyes to see how you test other women. It's normal to be attracted to others, and it's inappropriate to have a few romantic feelings. But it's not appropriate to focus too much on other women when you are seriously in love with someone. Doing so signals that you are open and existent. Most importantly, it underestimates your current relationship and your partner. This is definitely a red flag and a warning sign for your woman. Number 7. She asks you to help her with something. If she asks for help, she checks to see if she can trust you. She will want to know how useful you are and what you prioritize for her. She can guess in advance whether a person has a genuine interest in helping or whether he is selfish or unselfish. Brings different qualities about you, including working together, working on time, honesty, trustworthiness, and commitment. It's a good sign if you work well together without much controversy. You will form a good team, which is very important for a long-term relationship and raising children. Number 8. She'll talk of people close to her a lot. Whether family or friends, one sign that she is testing you is that she is constantly talking about her loved ones. See, women test their interest in a man by measuring whether he wants to know her in depth. In general, if you like someone, you will want to get to know them as much as possible and even better. Get to know the people they love and maybe even love them. So in order to pass this test, you need to pay attention every time she explains the details about her loved ones. Also, since she knows one sign, you want to remember details about her. You can use the information she gives you to show that you listened. This makes you more attractive to her. Number 9. She shares her to-do list with you. You will see that she tells you the little things she likes or wants to do. This is her way of seeing if you pay attention to her. She hopes you will remember these and then surprise her. This shows that you are attentive and thoughtful. Everything from her Pinterest boards to vacay inspos is a game. Almost every woman wants a man who pays attention to his woman. Therefore, it is important to keep her member on the small details that she constantly throws in her conversations. Get something from her wish list to make her happy. Number 10. She wants to know about your past. If she wants to know about your past, especially your relationships, it means she wants to know more about your love history and what kind of partner you are. She will want to know who broke up with you or who you broke up with and why. Do you have a habit of making friends with your ex? Do you still have feelings about someone in your past and you try to use her as your inspiration? No, this girl has never asked you any of these questions before. However, by listening to everything you say about your love history, she will find all the answers she needs. If she asks you about your exes, say good things about them without blurting out every detail. Show her you are mature enough to move on with good feelings in your heart. Number 11. She will introduce you to her friends. Another sign that she is testing you is that she is introducing you to her friends. Most often, it might feel like a rite of passage to get accepted by her friends. Her friends may be a little hostile at first, inciting you, asking you questions, or making fun of you. Often, her safest friends will judge if you are good enough for her. Her close friends who know her well can guess if she is right for you. Interacting with her friends will also help you understand her better. If you associate with her friends, half the battle is won. Number 12. She tells you when in distress. If a girl likes you, she will check to see if you care when she is in distress. So if she is sick, stuck in the rain, or she has any stress, she can call you. She can usually start a conversation, but she will want to see if you can emphasize or dismiss her so the problem will go away. This is also to test whether you can protect her when she gives her heart to you. If you can help her in her distress, you will pass the exam incredibly. But there are other ways to show that you care and constantly check on her to see if she is okay. And she knows she can depend on you. Number 13. She withholds sex. Let's be honest, we all like to have sex. We all have physical needs and a desire to sleep with someone we are attracted to. No matter what she tries to make you think, if she's connected with you, she cannot wait to sleep with you. However, she will not do that until she realizes that the only thing on your mind is not sex. Instead, she often stops having sex for a while and uses it as a way to test your feelings for her. So if you turn your back on her the moment you realize she still does not want to sleep with you, it means that you just wanted to use her for sex. When you see signs that she is testing you for avoiding sex, look at her. Despite what her body language tells you, do not push the idea of sex on her, Instead, continue the attraction with interesting dates. When you pass this test, she will feel that you deserve to give her all her love. Number 14. Her responses are delayed. When a woman does not respond immediately to your text without giving you an explanation or apologizing for her rude behavior, the first thing that comes to your mind is that she is not interested. However, this can be a sign that she is testing you. This is nothing more than a test for this woman. Her way is whether you wait until she sends you a text message again or immediately moves on to the next beautiful woman you meet. Are you serious about her, or is she one of the long line of others? However, the point is that she will respond sooner or later. She does not want you to think that you spend all day texting her and that there is nothing better for her than texting. Also, this is one of the ways in which women test men for their patience and self-esteem. Number 15. She meets you without makeup. Some women do not use makeup, but those who do can test whether men still like it without applying makeup to men. She wants to know if you respond in a disgusting way or appreciate her. In fact, if you show her that you value her natural more than her enhanced appearance, she will completely fall for you. So, if she tests you this way, maintain your composure while ensuring her natural inner-outer beauty.